Okay, press 2, press equals to install here. Press 4 at the side here.
Yes, I need where shift I press 1. So the next step is to press.
Yeah, I'm coming. He's behind that and try to carry everyone of us along. Shall we press it?
Yes.
Okay, so as long as you start it, you can now press your shift and 1. 1 is showing start on top. Showing start there. So press shift, press 1. And then 5 is showing reg, like normal spelling. I said number 5 is showing reg. Yeah, press 5. 5 is showing right there, reg. Now you see something that looks like a 9, like this. Something that looks like a 9. Mind you, it's taking this long because I'm explaining it to you guys. So when you practice it very well, it will become very fast for you to do. It's not showing you right. Let me see. So have you pressed reg? Number 5 is reg, and 5 is also showing this stuff that looks like a 9 with diamond head or something.
You see, after pressing that 4, the shift plus 1.
Shift and 1. Press shift, then press 1.
But this one is showing tighter and rotate.
Only.
Yes. So number 5 is
Shift 1. Then press 5. When you press 5, 5 is showing reg. You also see 5 again showing something like this. Showing something like 9. So press it also. Now it will be appearing on your screen like this. The cursor that is writing the stuff will be showing here. So move it to this side with this button. This is your button here. Move it to this side. Now let's say we are looking for the 5th step. The 5th step in this arithmetic progression is what? 10. Now press 5 at the front of this stuff. Press 5. So your stuff should show 5 and then this symbol. Press equals to. What is it showing? Showing 10. So we've been able to find the 5th step as 10. So should in case you have to find the 100th step, for those people that didn't understand what we did earlier, now follow up, let's do the 100th step now. Now, first of all, clear your calculator, press shift 9, 3 and equals 2. Press shift, press 9, press 3, and then you press equals 2. It's showing reset all, press PC key, and you can clear it with your AC or any button. We have other topics in this talk we have to do. So after pressing that, now you can press mode, press your mode. Statistics should be showing 3 under your mode function, your mode button. Statistics is showing 3. So you can press statistics 3. Now you see number 2 showing A plus B X. Now pick number 2. Press 2. Now want to store each of these values. You can still find the video on YouTube. That's not the video. So fine. First of all, your first step is what? 2. Now in the part of x, press y. You press 1. Your 1 will show it down here. Press equal to so that it will appear here. So press 1. Press equal to so that it will appear here. You see the side of 1 is showing 0, and the cursor is underneath 1. So move your cursor to the side of 1. This part using this button. So move it to the side of 1. Have we all done that? Our first step is 2. Now you can press your 2, which is your value for y. Press equal to store it there. Now move your cursor back to this point underneath 1. Move your cursor back to this point underneath 1. Now press 4. Sorry, press 2 because you are dealing with your second term. Okay, we said we could use the fourth term, right? Earlier we used first and second term, so let's use the fourth term. So press 4 under 1. Press 4 under 1 there.